In this video, we will explore different types of reviews. Are you struggling with identifying a review methodology that meets your needs? Are you confused with many different types of reviews such as systematic review and scoping review? You're not the only one who has these questions. In general, we can classify these review methodologies into 4 categories: narrative review, scoping review/systematic map/mapping review, systematic review, and other methodologies. A narrative review, also called literature review, provides an overview or description of the literature without using systematic methods. It involves some steps including identifying materials for potential inclusion, synthesizing them in textual, tabular, or graphical form, and analyzing their contribution or value. A scoping review provides a preliminary assessment of the potential size and scope of available research literature. It aims to identify the nature and extent of research evidence, understand the current knowledge landscape, and show research themes, trends, and gaps. Its research question can be broader than a systematic review, but criteria are still well defined. Typically, it does not include risk of bias or quality assessment. A systematic review seeks to systematically search for, appraise, and synthesize all empirical evidence to answer a well-formulated research question, often adhering to guidelines on the conduct of a review. It may include meta-analysis, which is statistically combining the results of quantitative studies to provide a more precise effect of the results. Other methodologies include critical review, rapid review, and umbrella review. New methodologies may evolve. Since we focus on narrative review, scoping review, and systematic review, let's look at a comparison chart from Grant and Booth's 2009 paper entitled A Typology of Reviews, an analysis of 14 review types and associated methodologies. As you see, the key distinction between a narrative review and a scoping review lies in their search methods. Meanwhile, the primary difference between a scoping review and a systematic review is the inclusion of quality assessment. Besides the definition and characteristics of different types of reviews, we can use Cornell University Library's review methodology decision tree to find the most appropriate type of review for your research question. This decision tree handout also includes definitions of different types of reviews on its second page. For instance, my research question is whether wearable devices are pervasive solutions for increasing work efficiency and improving workers' well-being. Let's use the review methodology decision tree to find an appropriate type of review. The first question asks whether you want to gather all the evidence on a particular research topic. If your answer is no, a narrative review is right for you. If your answer is yes, move on to the next question. Do you have 3 or more people to work on the review? If yes, proceed to the third question and continue until you reach the endpoints of the decision tree.